Ooh. Special coilovers. What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be taking out the lone stock suspension and putting in some coilovers. As you can see, it's a bit worse for wear. Yeah, let's jack it up. Straight off the floor. While Matthew's getting my tools, I'll show you this seat rail I'm making. Just take the seat out. Here's the cheap Monza drift seat that I've got. It should do the job completely fine. And here's some ghetto rails I've rigged up. I sort of just need to make some brackets coming up and then bolt back into the side. It's definitely not the strongest thing, but it'll hold. There's that handbrake extension.
Serious business.
Down a bit. Beautiful. Yeah. I'm also going to be buying some of the 5x120 converters to 5x114.3 so I can run Ford wheels to stuck holding the BMW wheels.
What about that part? That all seems a little bit more wider wheels,
Because these things are shit. Very shit. Well, definitely need some. Okay, so it's pretty easy. I got the wheels off. I need to get 2 bolts down here, which you probably can't see off. And then the 3 that are up the top underneath this. I'll just pop the bonnet. Pop.
You probably edit out that part right there where you said
So these are the 3 top bolts that I need to take out. I found an 18mm socket, I only had a 19. Well, apparently those bolts are very tight. Huh? Got it. See, there's 4 bolts, 3 bolts at the top, and that should come on falling out. Oh wait, there's one more there. There's one more at the top of the nut. Easy. The one at the top's easy. Okay, so I think this wire is for some sort of a brake pad warning. I don't need that. So now I can get the shock out easier.
I love how you just upgrade on. I think that's what that's for. Someone get rid of it.
Yep. Well, it was going to the brake pad and had a little sensor on the top where it sort of would be finished and rubbing against metal, so yeah. Push down on that with your foot. Don't worry about bending anything. There you go. Yep. Sweet, and here comes out the old crusty, very worn suspension for coilovers going. God, that's a dirty job. Now we get to do the other side.
Your hands compared to mine more.
Little nuts are tight, the other side was loose. That was tight. Hey! Oh. Maybe they're not that tight. I think this bit is spinning in my drill. Oops. Comes that wheel. Comes Now, the fun ones, the tight ones, yeah, I'll use that. Let's see if these ones want to come out any easier. Well, that was tight, but I snapped that one. Not snapped it, but cracked it. I think. Yep. Nice and clean hands there.
Yeah, I didn't do any work.
Well, that bolt ran away. These, unlike other cars, Beamer's done well, they actually just pop off. There's no stupid clip or anything to get the brake lines off the strut. It's just a little rubber grommet. Oh, 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 Jesus. Be gone! Oh, bring on the coilovers. Sweet, so we're going to stop there for now. We're going to head up to sunny Narre Warren and pick up some coilovers, and we'll be back later to install them and do a nice little test kit. Peace.
Ooh. Oh, so tight. So saucy.
And we are fucking live.
Hello everybody, welcome back. We just went to beautiful Narre Warren to pick up these eBay special coilovers. They're only height adjustable, they're not damp adjustable or anything, but they will get us nice and low and give us the stiffness we need to get a bit sideways. So yeah, let's see how low we can get it. Beautiful. And then, so we're going to put these in now. Sorry about the horrible noise of the rain. Hopefully you can hear me over that. But it's pretty simple. You slide it up, you line these three holes up with the holes in your strut tower and just put them on finger tight now. So let's do that. Yeah. You simply just look through, line the holes up. Oh, simply, there we go. Okay, I did do one thing wrong. This, adjusting here, I need to put it back down and twist it so that I can actually adjust my camber, not I guess you'd call that toe or caster. We're going, move that away. There we go. Beautiful. And that's it, just drive like that. No, I'm kidding.
Yeah, one screw, good to go.
I can still see this whole structure. Oh, that's fun bits. Come. What a bastard thing. A little locating pin is shit food. Maybe, just maybe, if I use a small extension, much better. dripping.
You ready? Yeah, mate. Born ready. So this one's all bolted up now, boys.
And now, I can't see. There it is. Come on, Bella. Why don't you go up?
This hole isn't quite in. Needs to go a little bit that way. A little shimmy, shimmy.
I think it's because that one's in.
Yeah, there we go.
Just need to go down and back up. There you go. This one's actually got an earth on it. That's tight. There's no light in here. Down this little hole. Let's see. That is all good. That is in its hole. Ah, that's why. That's not the big socket. That is. Sorry why I couldn't do that. I feel like I'm losing water. Good old Melbourne weather. It's raining and it's still 30-something degrees.
Humidity at about 80% too. Yeah. Fuck yeah!
My favourite. Why waste time looking for jacking points? There's lots of better things to do. Now, the fun of trying to get BMW wheels on. Ugh. Where is your hole? Show me the hole. I'll be right. Beautiful.
You're talking about torquing him in a star pattern?
He actually does it like this though. He goes, oh, he gets a run up and everything.
Who dat?
You ready for this? That's how it's done.
It's pit crew styles.
So, let's see how low it is. I don't think it's going to be very low because it was on someone's daily, but I can change that now. A little bit lower than it was. I think, not by much. But the main thing, let's see how stiff it is. So before when I jumped on the front end, it would keep bouncing for about 5 seconds, 3 or 4 seconds. Now I can't even bounce it.
Come on, jump up on there, mate.
Try and make it bounce. It ain't moving. Beautiful. Let's see if it ain't moving. Let's go. No navarinos.
What exactly does that mean, my friend?
Oh, you haven't even tested it? Even though my seat's not really secured.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, we can't test it. Matthew left the keys on.
So we got a dead battery.
Bloody Matthew!
Wah, wah, wah.
But it's done now. And I can lower it at will now thanks to the new coilovers. Probably can't see them, but they're in there as you know. Thanks guys, thanks for watching as always. Follow for more, like, comment, subscribe, check out our Insta, all that bullshit. Have a look at the website, check out our stickers and t-shirts, especially brought to you by Race Care Co. Peace.